Hello and welcome back. Today's look is a bright red smoky eye, great for Valentine's or whenever. Start by priming the eyelids. Starting out with a warmer dark brown, keeping it in the outer corner and crease. Place a little at a time and build up the pigment. Deepening the outer corner further with a dark sparkly maroon. Keeping it in the outer corner, the shimmer in it doesn't really show up though. Packing on a metallic red all over the lid and blending it back into the outer crease for a smooth transition. I probably should have used my finger for this shadow. Some metallic eyeshadows don't like picking up very well on brushes. Here, I'm using just a clean brush and gently blending out the harsh edge of the red. I missed shadow on the inner corner lol. More blending. Highlighting my brow bone with a frosty nude. On to the next eye. Remember to just take your time. This maroon shade is so pretty. I wish the gold sparkle showed up, but it's just so fine it flicks away. Again, it would have been so much easier to just use my finger for this eyeshadow. Just want to take a second to thank everyone who's subscribed and watched my content this year and last. We've hit 1,000 subs and 500,000 total channel views. Absolutely wild. Thank you. Priming my face. I've noticed I sometimes forget to record this part. Concealing with a mix of two. I haven't mentioned why I do this in a while. I'm just between shades right now lol. I'm not sure if this was a spider bite or what, but it hurt. A mix of Halo Glow base in my foundation. Thins it out so it's less coverage, but it adds a glowy shine to it. Baking the under eyes and T-zone, then lightly setting the rest of my face. Warming up the perimeters of my face. I swear, if I wear red eyeshadow, I look more fair. So strange. These Alamar Cosmetics blushes are so pigmented. I layered it little by little. Using a lighter frosty highlight on all the high points. Framing the bottom lash line with the matte maroon and the metallic red. Melt the powders. Filling in the brows. Everyone I know does brows first. Do y'all not get powders sticking to your brow, gel or wax? Setting the brows and combing the pencil through with brow wax. Doing my favorite lip combo, it's a darker mauve lip liner and lighter pink lipstick. Lining and tight lining with black. This look would also look good with a wing and a fake lash. Finishing the look with thin coats of mascara. I curled my lashes off camera. I forgot to hit record. Remember to never curl your lashes with dry mascara on. You could accidentally chop your lashes off, especially if the cushion on the lash curler is old and stiff. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.